Chicken banana.
Chicken banana. Chicken banana. Chicken banana. 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 Oh, hey, wait a minute. Hold on. Do this right. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ.EPHQ with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and weird. Chicken. I've lost track. Anyways, today's episode is all about how movement and sound influence each other. Now, I don't know about you, but when I hear songs like Manamana, Manamana, or Chicken Banana, Chicken Banana. Oh, I'm doing it right. I'm doing it wrong. Oh, God, I didn't do it right at all. Oh, I screwed it up. It's supposed to be Chicken Banana. I had it backwards. Oh, see, now I totally botched it, and we're still rolling with it because we're weird. So when you hear those songs, do you just want to be like, do they get you going? For reals. Like the movement of the video, you could literally watch the original Chicken Banana video without the audio and still be like, or hear the song and in your mind, you're all chicken banana, and squeaky chair. You could literally like, see it, hear it, feel it, and literally sound and images influence each other. They go hand in hand. What about you? What do you think? Share downstairs in the Kilt Zone, and let's wrap it up. So that's it, and this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ.Squeaky Chair, and this is another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and weird. If you're a subscriber and you're watching these videos, thank you. Thank you. If you're not, what's holding you back? Come on, man, participate. Like, comment, subscribe, share, ding dong, bells, notifications. I'll send a raven if you need to notify or need to be notified. See, I'm still caught on the chicken banana. And that's it. And until next time, remember to do something properly. You know what it is. Stay caffeinated. Oh, yeah. And I'll see you soon. Chicken banana. Chicken banana. Chicken banana. 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 Manamana.